Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this one I'll be showing you how to activate and turn on the flip to mute ringtone feature. Okay, so this is very useful if you're in a meeting and you didn't put your phone on silent and then you get an incoming phone call. You can simply flip the phone onto its face to mute the call. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to show you how to activate it, then I'll demonstrate how it works. So to activate it, just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says accessibility features. Then select shortcuts and gestures. And here you will see mute ringtone. Flip the phone. Okay, so go ahead and turn it on. So flip to mute ringtone. And it just explains how it works. So flip your phone to mute it when there's an incoming call. Okay, so now I'm just going to give myself a call and give you all a demonstration as to how it works. Okay, let me just call it again. Hold on. Okay, so as you can see, it's ringing, and as soon as I flip it over, the incoming call has now muted. So yeah, guys, this is a really cool feature. I recommend turning it on so that anytime you're in a situation where you want to quickly mute the phone call, you can just simply flip the phone over onto its face to mute it. Anyway, that's it for the video. Hope it helped you out. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified the second I upload my newest video. And I'm out, guys. See you in the next one. Deuces.